Hello guys. Today, we're revealing the secrets to boosting your testosterone levels naturally. Imagine having the energy, vitality, and strength of a 20-year-old. It's possible with the right habits. Stay tuned to learn what you can do once a day to achieve optimal testosterone levels. Understanding testosterone. Testosterone is a crucial hormone responsible for muscle mass, bone density, and overall vitality. As we age, testosterone levels naturally decline, leading to decreased energy, mood changes, and even health issues. Understanding the importance of maintaining healthy testosterone levels is the first step to reclaiming your youthful vigor. The impact of lifestyle on testosterone. Lifestyle plays a significant role in hormone production. Factors like diet, exercise, sleep, and stress levels can either boost or hinder your testosterone. Let's explore how making specific daily changes can positively impact your testosterone levels. Daily habits to boost testosterone. Here are some daily habits that can help you maintain the testosterone levels of a 20-year-old. Exercise regularly. Engage in weightlifting and high-intensity interval training, HIIT. These exercises are proven to increase testosterone production. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation lowers testosterone levels. Eat a balanced diet. Consume foods rich in zinc, vitamin D, and healthy fats. These nutrients are essential for testosterone production. Manage stress. Chronic stress leads to elevated cortisol levels, which negatively impacts testosterone. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing. Limit sugar intake. High sugar consumption can lead to insulin resistance, which affects testosterone levels. Opt for natural sweeteners and reduce processed sugars. Supplements to consider. In addition to lifestyle changes, certain supplements can support testosterone levels. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Vitamin D. Known as the sunshine vitamin, it plays a crucial role in hormone production. Zinc. An essential mineral that boosts testosterone production. Ashwagandha. An adaptogenic herb that helps reduce stress and increase testosterone. Fenugreek. An herb that has been shown to increase testosterone levels and improve strength. Here are some final tips to help you maintain optimal testosterone levels. Consistency is key. Stick to your routine and be patient. Hormonal changes take time. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your energy levels, mood, and physical changes. Consult with a professional. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider can ensure you're on the right track. By incorporating these daily habits, you can naturally boost your testosterone levels and feel more energetic and youthful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching.